there's paint on the bolts, so now don't forget to put these. Oh, that's the thing in there. I'm not going to throw anything away until we're completely done with this job. So as of right now, I'm just saving all the parts. There's 4 screws that release the cap. Get that a little bit. It's broken. A lot easier to take off. A couple of these screws out of here. And let me tell you, these clips, they only come on these NSXs. They're $5 a piece. You probably spend $300 in clips to do the whole car, just liners. And just pull on it. These little tabs, and slides in and clicks in. It's got a VIN number. This is actually car number 115 for an 05. Oh yeah, that's coming out. Look at that. Voila! Now, if I remember correctly, the side skirts slide forward, and on the 02 to 05 up front by the fender, if you guys don't know, there's adhesive right here. Voila! Got loose. On the 02 to 05s, they have there's a glued in rubber piece right here. That's loose, the front's loose, the bottom 2 screws are loose. So this thing slides forward to come off. If you slide backwards and pull this way, you can rip the thing completely off. So my goal is just a light tap and voila! No tabs broken. No tabs broken. Usually these guys break, and even the accident, that didn't even break. Wow. Yeah, don't lose this clip. This goes right here. It's right here. Another 10. There's one more right here. I think this vent piece out. What we'll end up having to do is take this intake piece off. Another one right here. There's one bolt here, and this rubber molding It's chewed up right here. It sucks. Hard to find. I guess we're gonna start tearing the interior apart to get to that. I'm gonna take the roof off. Probably be easier to work on the car with the roof off. So I'm gonna do that first.